To set timer for a specific app to limit its usage in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to app screen. Find the desired app you like to set the timer. To find it quickly, tap the search and then type the app name. Now long tap the app icon and then select app info. Tap screen time and then tap app timer. Now select the days when this app can be used. As the example, we will set it to Saturday and Sunday. And then set the duration. As the example, we will set it to 1 hour. Tap done button. By doing this, now this app can only be used in the selected days for 1 hour. When the duration is over, you will be notified and the app icon will be grey out. However, if you like to use this app more, you need to adjust the duration in the app timer. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.